Are you neglecting your dish rack? This kitchen essential can become a breeding ground for germs and bacteria if we ignore it. So stay tuned where I'll show you two processes, one being my weekly clean routine and the other how to remove stains and mould from your dish rack. Before we begin, here's what you need to get the job done. A small scrub brush or toothbrush, some mild dish soap, 1 cup of white vinegar, plus you may need more later for the second half of this video, 1/4 cup of baking soda, a microfiber cloth or towel. Now the first thing we need to do is take apart any parts from the dish rack for proper cleaning, like the utensils holder and tray. Now we're going to fill the sink with hot water and place all parts of the dish rack into the water. Now we're only going to fill the sink just enough to cover the dish rack. Next we need to add 1 cup of white vinegar and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. The white vinegar should have dissolved the buildup on the rack, enough for it to be removed once rinsed. Now once the time is up, give the dish rack a quick scrub with a scrub brush. Then give it a good rinse with hot water. And then using a clean towel or a cloth, we're going to hand dry our dish rack before reassembling it. And where possible, turn it upside down to allow it to drain off further and air dry. Now if your dish rack has visible signs of stains, like you can see here with my one, or you have mould or limescale buildup, then you will need to continue with the following steps for a further deep clean. So have an empty sink and place your dish rack back into the sink. I'm going to leave mine here so you can see it clearly. Now I'm going to sprinkle 1/4 cup of baking soda over my dish rack and I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Now the baking soda will help to remove the stains and deodorise the dish rack. Now once the time is up, we now need to spray the entire dish rack with white vinegar. Now we're going to need to get scrubbing with our scrub brush, paying attention to all corners. Now add some dish soap to clean the entire dish rack and to remove all parts of baking soda and vinegar. Then give the dish rack a good rinse off from all dish soap before hand drying. Things to remember: always hand dry your dish rack after every use to avoid limescale buildup, mould, rust and bacteria. Always give your dish rack its weekly clean as shown in the first part of this video. Now if you do happen to have a dishwasher, then you should be able to place your metal or plastic dish rack in the top section of your dishwasher, so no hand washing for you. Now we have more kitchen cleaning tips coming up next, and don't forget to give this video a like.